Hi everyone! In today's video I'm unboxing and showing you two new diamond painting kits I got from Temu. They are both really big and were super cheap, maybe too cheap. So now I'm really curious to see what I actually ended up with. Let's start with the first one. 100 by 50 centimeters, it has full scale diamonds, comes with 30 colors and shows a beautiful landscape. And the price? Only $17.85. And ta-da! Wow, this is really big. At first glance it looks great. Let me show you a closer look. I will open the diamonds right away. I'm so excited to see the quality. So far I really like the colors. They are not too bright and that's just how I like them. Lately, most of my problems came from low quality diamonds. If the diamonds aren't good, it's hard to make a nice picture. By problem, I mean that the diamonds are chipped or not cut properly. The burgundy colored diamonds look totally fine. But let's check the dark ones. So far, in almost all my kits, the black or dark diamonds have been the problem. And here they are, the fully dark colored diamonds. If I place this on the canvas, the rows will never ever be straight and the picture will just look messy. So I will definitely order new diamonds for this color. And the light blue diamonds also look nice and most of the others don't seem to have any problems either. Now let's check how sticky the canvas is. At first touch it seems just fine. I should mention that it has double-sided adhesive tape. I personally don't mind that. Now let's look at the symbols. They are clear and easy to read. If you're not sure what clear symbols means in diamond painting, it means you can easily tell the difference between two letters or numbers. That way the work stays fun and you don't have to strain your eyes. Honestly, I have no idea when I will start this kit because I already have quite a few projects in progress, but I'm sure I will get to it eventually. And now let's take a look at the second kit. This one is also a colorful, beautiful landscape. 120 by 60 centimeters with full round diamonds and 23 colors. And it costs $20.35. And ta-da-da-dam! I think this is the biggest kit I have ever had. I'm a bit sad it doesn't have square diamonds, but that's it. My younger son said, "Mom, by the time you finish this, you will be old." He might be right. Now let's take a look at the diamonds. I really like the color combination. As always, I will check the quality of the diamonds. And I also want to point out how important it is to count the bags and make sure every color is there. Otherwise, you might get an unpleasant surprise, especially if you only start the kit 6 months later, when it's already too late to ask for a replacement. What do you usually do if a color is missing from your kit? Or if you run out of it before finishing the painting? Have you ever sent a kit back? While checking the diamonds, I can say the quality looks great. I didn't find a single badly cut diamond, not even among the dark colors. Okay, now I'm going to test how sticky the canvas is. I should mention that it's not as strong as in the first kit. Even though this one also has double-sided adhesive tape. Here's a close-up shot where you can clearly see that the symbols aren't as clear. In fact, many of them are blurred together. This will make it harder to work on, even though there are a lot of small details. I hope that the piece all the tiny details, because the painting is really big, the final result will be beautiful. Honestly, I won't start this one anytime soon either, but overall I'm glad I bought it. Whether both paintings will really turn out nice will only be clear when they are finished. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, both kits came with a classic green tray, a pink plastic diamond painting pen, and of course the red wax. Each kit also included plastic multiplacer tips. Thank you so much for watching today's video and spending time with me. Sorry about the echo effect. I actually recorded the voiceover while hiding in the bedroom because our lovely neighbors are super hardworking and building a house. So pretty please leave me a comment, give a like or subscribe. I'm trying to move to a quiet little house in the countryside. Thank you.